lovely, isn't it? It's a fool. People build themselves up like...
Delicious.
I don't like it. I'm not keen on it.
Yeah, oysters, seafood, bit of chicken. Yeah, because
A right round game bird. I've been eating game.
It's okay. Biscuit. Whilst I enjoy a nice savoury steak. That's normal. Which one's wanted?
Sorry, I had to have the second one.
You okay with your bag? Yeah. The like Chinese flashing lamps caught my eye, and then I realised it's
that'd be my Christmas tea.
I've got those really thick coaty things in it.
Hot sauce. You're trying some hot sauce.
Try it if you're not here.
Yeah, I just want to try that. Is it pineapple?
That's my favourite one. It's gorgeous. Yeah, what have you tried so far? Like it? It's stunning, isn't it? I would say it's stunning.
Oh. What is this, Oxa? What is happening here?
It's seasoning.
Yes, I know it's seasoning, but in a form of... Oh, this is espresso martini?
Don't let me sit in it.
No, I don't think they'll let you sit on it.
In it.
No. I don't think they'll let you do that. Yeah, this Lexus is doing that, sponsoring that bit, luxury food.
God, I'm feeling quite caffeinated, but also a little tipsy. grade bar, mate. That last bit is sitting. And if you missed it, we're going to do it all over again. How are you?
There's only speak on, isn't
There, so we're just going to simmer this away for another 3 minutes.
Okay.
And then it would be ready to marinate. Though obviously we're just going to taste it as is.
Give it a blitz up and then.
Not with that. But
Yeah, I like that.
Yeah, I'm a massive venison lover. I really love it.
it.
What particular species do you like?
I don't know. Like, I'll be honest. I haven't grown up eating loads of game. It's relatively new thing for me the past couple of years, especially getting into it. So I wouldn't say I have a particular favourite. One thing we were talking about, and it's like generally the smaller the animal, maybe the sweeter the meat might be. And
I mean, I love roe particularly.
Anyway.
No, I'm absolutely fine, thank you very much.
Yeah.
No, you're absolutely fine. It's really good of you. I will get you to do something in a minute. Oh, I can turn the stove on. That's a really good start, isn't it? I was going to say that we're having your nominations for the Eat Game Award. Do you like one pan?
Yeah, I do.
If you were cooking a snack for yourself, what would you cook?
Oh, a snack for myself. I'll tell you what I made the other day. I had some nice set mushrooms, not too dissimilar to this.
Yes.
Just cooked them, like sliced them in half, plenty of butter, and just roasted them sort of immediately in the pan.
Oh.
Then finished it with a copious amount of butter, some thyme, and then one thing, as a friend of mine, Tristan, he showed me this thing with garlic to eat it more like a vegetable.
As a farmer, it's going to be a difficult situation, so I think we'll be very grateful for everything we can get. So, I won't put a dampener on it. It's Christmas, Rachel. A little bit of festive cheer, but it's true. It's very true. Such an important thing, because you know all the things and efforts you go to. The food doesn't have to be boiling, but the gravy needs to be hot, and the food and the plates need to be hot, and everything else will be fine. Let your turkey rest.